Welcome to this course Basic Manufacturing Process Unit 1 and Lecture 21 Quenching Media and Dry Quenching. The In this video and agenda for today I present in this video the agenda for the quenching and quenching media and liquid quenching in liquid quenching and use for other matters is oil, caustic soda, warping, and the other method used in the dry quenching is used in the used in media, air and solids. I present in the continuous of the liquid quenching in this used for the oil is used for the quench high speed, and oil hardened steel is preferred for all other steel, provided that the required hardness can be obtained. Per peer, peer particularly any types of quenching oil is obtainable, including the various animals oil, flesh oils, vegetable oils, and fish oil, vegetable oils, and minerals oil. Oil is the closed as the intermediate quench. The quenching the quenching oil temperature should be kept within a range of 80 Fahrenheit to 150 Fahrenheit. The property and average of cooling power of various quenching oils. Non-ferrous metal are not routinely quenching in oil unless the specification call of the oil is quench. Other using warning, the caustic soda required for special hardening because of the harmful effect of skin and clothing. Liquid quenching is a continuous present in other part of media of the caustic soda. A solution of water and caustic soda containing 10% in this medium, caustic soda by weight has the higher cooling rate of the than water. The caustic soda is the higher cooling rate presented as compared to water. Caustic soda is used Caustic soda is used only for those types of steel that require the extremely rapid cooling, and it is the never used for the quench for non-ferrous metals required. I also present in continuous in the dry quenching. These types of quenching used for material other than liquid. In most cases, this method is used only for low rate and cooling to prevent the warping or cracking. Dry quenching continuous. Air Air quenching is used for cooling some highly alloyed steel. When you use the steel hair touch tool for cooled with the circulated air and placed in the some manner, and arrange the uniform cooling. Compressed air is used to concentrate the cooling the cooling on a specific area of the part. The airlines must be free of the moisture and prevent the cracking of the metal. Al- Although non-ferrous metals are usually quenched in water, non-ferrous metal is require media for the water prices that too large for fit into the quench tank can be cooled with the focus forced air is drafting. This is present in the continue dry quenching is continuing in other media each year. An air quench should be used for non-ferrous metal only then the part will be not subjected to the severe corrosion conditions and the required strength and other physical property can be developed by the middle quench. And the solid other media is used in the dry quenching in solid. The solid used for the cooling steel parts include the cast iron and and iron chips, lime and lime sand and arces in use. Solid are generally used to slow rate of cooling. For example, cast iron part can be placed in a lime box water while after lime box after the welding to prevent cracking and warping. All the solid must be is free of mixture is prevent the in unknown the cooling. The tampering is continue present. When the hardened steel is reached temperature beginning at the 200 mm, 220 12 Fahrenheit as the continuous the temperature increase the toward the low critical point. The minimum temperature time for tempering should be 1 hour. If the part is more than 1 inch thickness, increase the time of 1 hour for each additional inch of the thickness. Tempering tempering is really stress quenching stress and reduce the hardness and brittleness of the metal parts. The temperature up to a temperature of above 450 Fahrenheit. Above this temperature is start to decrease tempering, increase the softness, ductility, malleability, and impact resistance is improvement. Tampering present in continuous in this video. Tampering is based on the out color oxide color that appear on the surface of steel as it is heated when you are slowly heat a pipe for the polished hardened steel. These colors indicate the structure changes the cracking place within the metal. The In this table, I presented the oxide color and tempering steel. The colors is in this the pale yellow is the Fahrenheit into 428 temperature in the 225 degrees Celsius and Pro is used for the 464 Fahrenheit to 230 Fahrenheit degrees Celsius. Golden yellow, the temperature is the 469 Fahrenheit to 243 degrees Celsius, and brown color in the temperature of 491 Fahrenheit to 255 degrees Celsius, and brown dample with the purple is the temperature is 509 Fahrenheit to 265 degrees Celsius. Police, police in the 531 degrees Fahrenheit to the 277 degrees Celsius, and dark blue in the 555 Fahrenheit to 288 degrees Celsius, and bright blue 567 Fahrenheit to 297 degrees Celsius, and pale blue in the 610 Fahrenheit to 321 degrees Celsius. Thank you so much. In this video, I present in the liquid quenching some of media and dry quenching in media in a oil. The dry quenching in media oil medium is the air and solid.